Rainy season. Hello. During rainy season, many waterfalls in Indonesia are closed for safety reason. Our search for one that is open for tourists started actually from Lombok Island. We passed capital Mataram and turned to the west. It was just another cloudy day, but not raining. The road was partly pretty bad. I hope they will continue investing also outside Java, where also millions of people are living. And here we reached Sarang Wallet Waterfall. The gate is very nice, but Wallet was left empty because it was closed. Exactly because of the rainy season. So we took our boat, not this one, that one, and left to Bali, to Padang Bai. The next morning was still not promising, a lot of water on the road. But here we are, at the gate of Suwat Waterfall. We were greeted by a local band. I like this guy. Whilst raining, you can also have a refreshing Balinese coffee. The ticket was 25,000, by the way. For this money they have hired the musicians and built the stairs, I think. Unfortunately, there's no place for sitting or dining, only this bala, maybe in the future. So, to the left and down we went. The stairs are pretty nice, even they were wet. And of course we were not the only one there. Lots of people making selfies, but none of them actually swimming. After the rain, the water seemed kind of soggy. The rocks were a little bit slippy, so be careful. But it's a nice and safe waterfall even during rainy season. That's why it was open. Also a lot of nature around, and also some smaller streams, quite hard to reach them actually. About those carved faces and figures, they will become alive only at night as usual. Go home before 6. And if you ask about that holy water that was written on a stand, well, the path there goes to the right. But there are no stairs in this case, only a slippy muddy track, so maybe not. You can try though. Anyway, Suwat Waterfall is a quite safe waterfall during rainy season. If you liked our finding, please hit the thumb and stay safe. Cheers!